Ultra Short Throw Projectors have revolutionized home entertainment by offering large, high-quality displays from a short distance. These projectors are ideal for small spaces, projecting stunning visuals onto a screen or wall just inches away. The best Ultra Short Throw Projectors of 2024 combine advanced technologies like laser light engines, 4K resolution, and high brightness levels to deliver exceptional image quality even in well-lit rooms. Key features to look for include high lumens for bright images, HDR support for dynamic color ranges, and integrated sound systems for immersive audio experiences. We dug deep and now bring you the best of the best on the 2024 market. Let's dive in. If you're seeking a product that offers outstanding value for your investment, the Hisense PX2 Pro stands out as the best value ultra short throw projector of 2024. It combines cutting-edge technology with versatile functionality, making it suitable for education, home theater, gaming, and business use. One of its standout features is its 3 pure color lasers, utilizing trichroma technology to achieve 107% of the BT 2020 color space. This allows users to experience colors that are more vivid and accurate than those on standard displays. Perfect for entertainment, the Hisense PX2 Pro can project images from 90 to 130 inches with impressive clarity thanks to its digital lens focus. This ensures a sharp, engaging viewing experience every time. The projector's 4K Ultra HD resolution further enhances this experience, offering over 8 million pixels for exceptional detail across a large screen. Additionally, support for HDR10, HLG, and Dolby Vision optimizes high dynamic range, providing greater visual depth and detail. Built-in Google TV is a fine addition, aggregating content from various apps and subscriptions while offering personalized recommendation. This simplifies content discovery and enriches the user experience by curating movies, shows, and more in one place. Designed with home cinema in mind, the Hisense PX2 Pro boasts a maximum brightness of 2400 ANSI lumens. This delivers brilliant highlights, rich colors, and deep blacks, crucial for an immersive cinema experience at home. Whether you're setting it up in a media room or a dedicated home theater, the performance is exceptional. The Hisense PX2 Pro is a top-tier projector that excels in delivering high-quality, immersive visual experiences for a range of applications. Its trichroma technology, large projection size, and 4K resolution make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their home theater setup. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Next on our review list is the LG HU915QE, which we consider the best ultra short throw projector for picture quality in 2024. This projector offers a cinema quality experience even in well-lit rooms. With a brightness level of 3700 ANSI lumens, it delivers clear images indoors, handling ambient light with ease. The LG HU915QE features advanced 3-channel laser technology using separate RGB primary colors. This results in 30% brighter color expression compared to previous models, ensuring vivid images without color fading. Thanks to its 4K UHD laser technology and 8.3 megapixels, this projector delivers precise detail on screens up to 120 inches. A contrast ratio of 2:1 allows it to showcase deep blacks and bright whites effectively. One of its most impressive features is its ultra-short throw capability. The projector can create a stunning home theater screen up to 120 inches. It requires only 5.6 centimeters to project a 90-inch screen, 9.8 centimeters for a 100-inch screen, and 18.3 centimeters for a 120-inch screen. This makes it perfect for small spaces where traditional projectors might not fit. The design of the LG HU915QE also deserves praise. It uses premium Kovdrat re-wool material made from 45% recycled wool, blending seamlessly into any home decor. The projector includes an ambient sensor for auto brightness, automatically adjusting the screen brightness based on the surrounding light for optimal viewing. Adaptive contrast further enhances the picture quality by adjusting the laser output for a high contrast ratio. Bright scenes appear more vibrant, and dark scenes retain their detail within deep blacks and shadow definition. Finally, the LG HU915QE is well equipped with 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, an optical digital audio output, and a LAN port, ensuring you have all the connectivity options you need. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. Introducing the Samsung Premier LSP9T, hailed as the best ultra short throw projector for sound quality in 2024. The Samsung Premier LSP9T is a game changer, featuring cutting-edge triple laser technology that enhances its 4K UHD resolution, providing exceptional contrast and detail in every scene. With 2800 lumens of brightness, it vividly illuminates content, delivering a realistic cinema experience. What sets this projector apart is its powerful 2.2.2 channel 40-watt audio system. Unlike other projectors, the LSP9T doesn't just show movies, it immerses you in them. The built-in speakers offer comprehensive audio coverage, including front, center, and surround sound, often eliminating the need for an external sound system. Convenience is another highlight, with built-in Alexa, Google Assistant, and Bixby. These voice assistants make controlling the projector and performing tasks hands-free a breeze. The robust UHD processor ensures that 4K image quality is optimized, while Pure Color technology delivers crystal-clear, vibrant colors, making every scene pop. The LSP9T also supports HDR, bringing out color nuances beyond standard HD TV, making your movies and shows more dynamic and visually stunning. For gamers, the Game Enhancer feature automatically adjusts settings for an optimized gaming experience, ensuring smooth gameplay without lag. Overall, the Samsung Premier LSP9T stands out by combining advanced visual technology, smart features, and powerful sound, making it the ideal choice for those who want a true cinema experience at home. With its sleek design, smart capabilities, and stunning 4K resolution, the LSP9T is more than just a projector. It's the centerpiece of modern home entertainment. Thumbs up! Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now, so make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Next on our review list is the Hisense L9G, which we consider as the best streaming ultra short throw projector of 2024. The Hisense L9G is more than just a projector. It's a 4K laser TV system that includes a 100-inch ambient light rejecting screen with an option for 120 inches. Positioned about 11 inches from the wall with the 100-inch screen, this projector offers stunning visuals. Users appreciate its bright 3000 lumen image, making it easy to watch content comfortably even in broad daylight. With the lights off, the image quality remains excellent thanks to a 3-laser light engine that produces vivid colors and rich shadow details. Key features include HDMI 2.1 ports with EARC, an Android Smart TV interface, and a built-in 40-watt speaker system robust enough to eliminate the need for an additional soundbar. While the L9G typically comes with a screen, you also have the option to buy just the projector at a lower price. The Hisense L9G supports VESA for high-quality audio streaming and features smooth motion for a seamless viewing experience, especially during fast-moving scenes. It also includes eye safety features, subtitles, and parental controls, making it ideal for families. Plus, it's smart home ready, integrating well into modern connected homes. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160 and trichroma technology using 3 pure color lasers, the L9G achieves 107% of the BT 2020 color space, offering incredibly vivid and realistic colors. The 120-inch ambient light rejection screen enhances the big screen experience with exceptional clarity. The 3000 lumens ensure a bright picture in any room, making 4K HDR content truly shine. Additionally, the built-in 40-watt Dolby Atmos sound system provides clear and powerful audio, elevating your entire multimedia experience. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend. Finally, we bring you the top spot for the best overall ultra short throw projector in 2024, the Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800. Unlike many projectors that struggle in bright environments, this model delivers a bright 4000 lumen image that remains vivid even with the lights on. This makes it perfect for watching sports or gaming during the day. The Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800 employs 3LCD technology and a laser light engine, ensuring consistent and vibrant image quality. Streaming is seamless via its Android TV platform, giving you easy access to your favorite content. Additionally, the LS800 features a Yamaha speaker system with virtual surround sound, providing powerful audio while keeping dialogue clear. One standout feature is Epson's new ultra short throw multi multi-element glass lens technology, this design reduces the throw distance significantly, allowing the LS800 to fit comfortably in standard AV cabinets while projecting clear images up to 120 inches. Advanced pixel shift technology precisely controls 3 separate high-definition LCD chips, delivering an extremely sharp 4K experience without compromising brightness. The projector also boasts advanced real-time analog-to-digital video processing, which smooths tonal transitions and eliminates visual artifacts like banding and blocking. This ensures that the source material is reproduced faithfully. The full 10-bit HDR color processing accepts 100% HDR sources combined with its 4,000 lumens of brightness to deliver exceptional visual performance. If you're looking for a projector that performs well both day and night and offers sound robust enough to fill a small room, the Epson Epic Vision Ultra LS800 is an excellent choice. It combines advanced visual technology, powerful sound, and smart features, making it the perfect addition to any home entertainment setup. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.